Alright, just in. Are we your slaves? LP Senator yells at Akpabio over minority leadership tussle. Please, before I proceed with this commentary, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on my TikTok and Instagram page and on my Facebook page. Alright, there was an uproar in the upper legislative chamber on Tuesday after Senate President Godswill Akpabio announced new minority leadership positions. Akpabio had named Abba Moro, Senator representing Benue South, as minority leader, and Osita Ngwu, Senator representing Enugu West, as minority whip. The People's Democratic Party (PDP) members replaced Simon Mwadkwon, Senator representing Plateau North, and Darlington Nwokocha, Senator representing Abia Central, respectively. They were both sacked by the court, while Mwadkwon, former minority leader, is a PDP member. Nwokocha of the Labour Party LP was the minority whip. Soon after Akpabio finished making the announcement, said to be from the minority caucus, an altercation ensued on the floor of Parliament. LP's Tony Nwoye, Senator representing Anambra North, said it was unfair for the Senate President to choose leader for the minority caucus. Are we your slaves? Why would the Senate President be picking leaders for us? Nwoye yelled at the presiding officer. You have done your worst. You have pushed us to the wall. Meaning what? Meaning what? It is unfair. It is not about me. It's about the institution of the Senate. Every time you keep on picking leadership for us, are we your slaves? The way you were elected is the way we were elected. The highest you can do is suspend me. After some senators specified Nwoye, Akpabio explained that the two minority leaders has shown the signatories of senators who agreed with the decision. Minority, put your house in order first, Akpabio said. The Senate President can only work with what is before me. You have Senator Abba and Lero. Their names are not here. Akpabio added that he sympathizes with minority parties in the Senate. Please, I would like you to watch this video now in detail, and then don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Forget my voice. I lost my voice on some occasion. Thank you very much, and don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you.
Many what? Many what? It's unfair. It's unfair. It's not about me, it's not about any person. It's about the institution of Senate. Thank you, sir. Meaning what? Every time you feel it, tomorrow they want to open up. He's putting it up. So Tony said they will run the court. He brings over the police. Give a couple of people. Give a couple of people. He don't like it. Give a couple of people. Not about them. Let's go see. Let's go see. Yeah. Everyone. Everyone. Let's go. Everyone. Let's go. Yeah. Are we your slaves? The way you elected was the way you were elected. Are we your slaves? How else you can suspend me here? Are we your slaves? Every time you keep on picking leadership for us. We are not your slaves. Whether you like it or not, the way you elected was the way we elected. We are not your slaves. The way you elected was the way we elected. How else you can suspend me? You have done your worst, Mr. President. What do you mean by that? You have done your worst. You have done your worst. You have put us to the wall.